Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please, like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below, as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week, we ask what is more effective: hiring a credit repair company or doing it yourself. Deciding between these options depends on your personal situation, financial knowledge, and willingness to invest time and effort. Let's explore the pros and cons of each, and we'll even give you some DIY tips. Repairing your own credit is typically free, aside from postage and credit monitoring fees. Plus, taking charge of your credit repair journey can help you understand credit better and help develop healthy financial habits. However, there is a learning curve. Repairing credit can be complex, and you'll need to familiarize yourself with the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, and dispute process. Credit repair takes time, dedication to research, drafting letters, and following up. Here are some tips for DIY credit repair. 1. Obtain your credit reports. Request free copies of your credit reports from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian through annualcreditreport.com. Review them for errors, inaccuracies, or fraud. 2. Dispute inaccuracies. If you identify errors on your credit report, you can dispute them directly with the credit bureaus. Send a written dispute letter with supporting documentation. 3. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your credit repair efforts and follow up with the credit bureaus to ensure they are processing your disputes. 4. Improve financial habits. In addition to disputing inaccuracies, focus on improving your financial habits, such as making timely payments, keeping credit utilization low, and avoiding new debt. Pros of hiring an expert. Expert Credit Care has experience and knowledge in dealing with credit issues, disputing inaccuracies, and navigating the credit system. Our professionals save you time and effort, as we handle the entire process on your behalf, which can be beneficial if you find the process overwhelming. Credit repair services can be expensive, and some companies may charge upfront fees before providing any results. Be cautious of companies that promise quick fixes or guaranteed results. Expert Credit Care never charges an upfront work or setup fee. Credit repair shouldn't put you into debt. Our DIY package provides you with all the letters needed to do it yourself. But remember, it's more than just sending letters. It takes consistency and time, and the change isn't overnight. In an effort to help our clients, we now offer a buy one, get one 50% off special. This is especially helpful for clients looking to buy a home. In conclusion, both hiring a credit repair company and doing it yourself have their merits, but doing it yourself can be more cost-effective and empowering in the long run. If you have the time, willingness to learn, and are organized, DIY credit repair can be an effective approach. However, if you find the process overwhelming or lack the confidence to handle it on your own, seeking professional assistance from Expert Credit Care is an option. Whichever path you choose, remember that there are no quick fixes for credit repair, and improving your credit score takes time, discipline, and consistent effort. Schedule time to talk with us today.